Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Miles Morales. If you got the Venom symbiote, and it's going to be step by step for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around to the very end, or you can just watch. That's a lot of learning from watching as well. It's just going to be a headshot, okay? Real simple. Let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with the hoodie, okay? I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to draw a kind of like triangle shape right there for that part of the hoodie. Might actually move it down a bit right here. Yeah. Over here at the top, curve. Move it out a little bit more. I'm gonna pull down right here for this part of the hoodie. Down, curve. Go over here on this side, curve out. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna pull down over here for the top of his head. Out over here, and I'm gonna pull another line downward on this side. Alrighty. Gonna go over here on this side, pull out a little bit more. Down. So now you have that top of that hoodie so far, right? Really easy stuff. Gonna go right here to the head area. Well, the side of the head. Curve on this side. Curve on this side. Gonna go to the eyes now, and I'm gonna start the eyes maybe about yay level. I like putting a dot, and I think that really gives it a little bit of like so I can pinpoint exactly where it is, where it starts. Gonna go right here. Up. Right? Curve up here, you know, if the Venom symbiote took him over, that's kind of what I would. Up over here, curve up here. Over here in this area, it's gonna scoop underneath, scoop, and over here it's gonna scoop. Over here in this area, now I'm gonna give him not a black line, Miles Morales, since I have a red line, so I'm gonna draw the same shape but on the inside, okay? To give it a thickness, but it's not gonna be a black line. Curve over here on this side, curve over here. Curve here on the inside, curve over here. On the inside over here, curve up. All right, so you have the inside of that eye. Right on, so we're doing pretty good. Now I'm gonna draw the mouth area before I draw the rest of that hoodie. So I'm gonna go over here, draw kind of like the edges of the mouth. Down over here. Down over here. And over here in the middle, I'm gonna curve up. Just a bit, it's gonna be for that upper lip. I'm gonna go here with the teeth. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down over here. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. I'm trying to vary the sizes of the teeth a little bit. You don't have to vary them that much, but doing them a decent amount would really go a long way to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna pull underneath. Out for the tongue. Go over here, curve. Over here. And I'm gonna put like a split in the middle of that tongue. So I'm gonna pull down, just slowly curve, like so. All right. I'm gonna draw some of the bottom of the teeth here. You can see. Okay. You can see some of the teeth coming around the corner there, not a bunch. Curve down, angle in, underneath, line over here. Line up, curve underneath here. And I'm gonna add a dark space right there because he's opening the mouth. So I'm gonna curve up over here, like so. And same thing on this side, giving a little bit of dark, even though he has a dark outfit. It's not, you know, we're not gonna fill that in quite yet. I'm gonna go right here and, well, actually not yet. I'm gonna draw the hoodie first, the rest of it. So it's gonna come out, curve in, out over here, curve in, out, down, out over here, down. Gonna go over here, draw a line on the inside right here, and a line on the inside here. Right on. Let's draw a circle for the webbing. Circle here in the middle. I'm gonna pull a line straight up, line straight down, line over here. Pull a line out here like a ray of sunshine. It's not really gonna touch anything over there. Line over here, maybe over here. Over here in this area, over here in this area. Outward. So, and I'm gonna do this curve right here. Curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve, curve right here, curve right here, curve, line over here, line over here. And you can maybe add a curve here on the side. You're adding all these curves right for the webbing. And you can add maybe the tassels of the hoodie coming out over here. But that's kind of it, honestly. Well, I guess you can also add the shoulders. Like so. If you want to add any other details, you can kind of maybe add a little bit of dark here to the teeth, just a tad. Line, 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 line. Curve, curve, curve. And if you really want, you can do this technique where you can put a little bit of shadow on the inside of the hoodie right here. So I can draw a line, 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 and just start drawing them, like separating them as they go down. It's just supposed to indicate kind of a shadowy area, right? And you can kind of bold out the side of the face, bold out the side of the face to make it more obvious that the face is in there. I want to thank you very much. Don't forget I post 3 drawing lessons a day. Don't forget, absolutely hit me up, in the comment section. I'll draw anything you guys want. Just request it. So this was actually a request. Miles Morales taken over by the symbiote. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon. Stay positive, and I'll see you next time, okay, artists? Share the video if you made it this far. Talk to you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.